Hey there everyone, it's Brendan here from Crypto 101, and in today's tutorial, we're going to be walking through how to trade on Raydium. Now, Raydium is the primary decentralized exchange, or DEX, for the Solana ecosystem. This means that if you want to trade an altcoin on Solana, the odds are that 99 out of 100 times you're going to be able to find that coin on Raydium, even if you can't find it on popular exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, or Binance. So let's go ahead and switch on over to the screen share here and take a look at what this exchange looks like and how we can actually interact with it. Now, the first step is to go to raydium.io. Once you load in fact, we're just going to refresh the page. You're going to come to a setup just like this one. Now, it should go without saying, but you need a wallet to interact with a decentralized exchange. My personal favorite wallet is Phantom Wallet. So if you have already gone ahead and created a Phantom Wallet and funded that with Solana or another Solana-based coin, then that's going to allow you to kind of come to the point where we're at right now. Now, if you don't have a wallet connected yet, in the top right-hand corner over here, it's going to ask you to connect your wallet. Now, I've already gone ahead and connected mine to Raydium, which means that I am good to go and actually interact with the Raydium decentralized exchange. So you can see that there's a couple of features that we can go through. We can swap tokens, which is essentially just trading. There is liquidity. There is portfolio. There are perpetuals, which is trading leveraged version of a lot of these assets. And then there's a couple other features through the more tab, such as staking, bridging, and a couple of other kind of paper documents that you can always go through. Now, if you're coming to Raydium, you're probably wanting to just simply trade cryptocurrency. And that's what we're going to be focusing on in today's video. So if we go to the swap button, which is the kind of home page that we're already on, then we can go ahead and exchange one crypto for another. So let's just say that we have Solana, right? I'm going to make sure that my From tab is filled with Solana, and that my To tab down here is filled with the altcoin that I want to purchase. So again, I'm going to be exchanging Solana from my wallet for this new altcoin that I am looking for. So let's just say that I want to get my hands on the Jupiter token. Then what I would do over here is come over here and either put in the token address or the ticker symbol for the desired altcoin that I want to get my hands on. So if I need to find the token address for an altcoin, I can go over to CoinMarketCap and search up that altcoin. In this example, I'm going to be looking for Jupiter. So I'm just going to type in Jupiter. I'm going to see that it pops up right here. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to see that the contract address is sitting right here. Now, if I click on this, it's going to say that it is copied to my clipboard, and then I can go back to the Raydium exchange and I can actually swap out or really put this code in, and now the Jupiter token is going to populate. So here I can go ahead and click on this, and you'll see that it has changed from AI16Z on the bottom to Jupiter on the bottom. So now I'm at the point where I can exchange my Solana for the Jupiter token, and I can choose how much I would want to do. Now, the cool part here is that you can kind of do any incremental value that you want within reason. So if I wanted to exchange, 0.052389 or whatever Solana for Jupiter, then I can do that. If I want to make it a very round number like 1, I can do that as well. And so you can kind of just figure out whatever works for you here. So say I just wanted to exchange, 0.1 Solana for the Jupiter token. Then I can just type that in. It's going to say, hey, this is worth roughly $24.20, and this is how much it will exchange for after everything is said and done. Now, if you want to see more info, you can click on this little tab down here, and it's going to open up and say, hey, here's what's happening. You're going to have a price impact, which is essentially just like slippage or arbitrage between the two prices. And, that's going to be less than 0.01%, which is really, really small and not something I would worry about. But if you're going for a much more smaller cryptocurrency, you might actually see that number go up. My estimated fee down here is going to be 0.000005 Solana, so just a fraction of a cent. Nothing that I would need to worry about at this time. And then if everything looks good, I can go ahead and actually click swap. Now, after I do this, it's going to ask me to confirm a transaction. I'm going to go ahead and confirm it. it's going to say, hey, price is actually updated since I did this because I took too long. So I'm going to go ahead and say that I accept it. And now we're going to go ahead and wait for this to go through. So it should just take a few seconds. You can go over to your wallet and then you can actually see if it has appeared. And we can go to some of our transaction histories to make sure that it came in. And again, it might just take a few moments for this to be received. And boom, my 22 Jupiter is now sitting in my wallet, and I can see it in my recent activity feed over here. Now, that's really all there is to when it comes to swapping and trading on the Raydium decentralized exchange. And again, if you want to find any altcoin, all you have to do is put in that token address right into this area where it says select the token, and then you can exchange your Solana or maybe another Solana ecosystem token for that new desired altcoin that you're looking for. So if you like this video, consider hitting that like and subscribe button if you're over here on YouTube, and we have a lot more tutorials just like this one coming your way.